Bismillah. Right, good day, guys. Welcome back to Kana channel. Konnichiwa, minasan. Kana desu. Hi. Alright, just a quick update regarding my rigs. So just the other day, I came back from the PC repair shop. They successfully the technician successfully set this motherboard back, the biostar Ta-250 PTC motherboard. So they successfully set the motherboard back. So it was just like I thought, and it was just like the my friend that I talked to in the mining community mentioned. Just like my friend mentioned that this motherboard is it was not supported for third generation Ryzen. So as I quote, the motherboard needs to be updated to latest BIOS for the Ryzen 3200G to work together. So they said that they program the motherboard back. I don't know how they do it. It's out of my expertise. But in any case, that is what they said. The technician said they programmed the chip of the motherboard back, not back. They program it. They program the motherboard chip, to the latest BIOS update for the motherboard to work together with the CPU, which is a 3200G. So this is the eventhough RAM that I mentioned in previous video, DDR4 2400 megahertz. So the BIOS appears, so that's a relief. Thankfully, I'm grateful. It's successfully the motherboard is successfully working right now. Compatibility compatibility it's hard to say that word, compatibly working together. Yes, that's the word. So any case, the motherboard is okay now with the RAM, and we'll see. I have to purchase a new PSU for the motherboard, as I only have two PSUs, and for two rigs. So for my third rig later on, I have to purchase another PSU. So I was thinking I'm getting Corsair 850 AX 850i. The reason I'm choosing that PSU 850, because I'm planning to get another P106 or 1060 6 GB, 6 GPUs altogether. So I did my calculations. So right now, the second rig is it has P106, 6 of them. So altogether of system, it uses around 490 plus watts, according to HiveOS. So I was thinking because it's 500, roughly 500 watts. So I'm thinking of getting a PSU, so that the load of the PSU is around 50 to 60%, um, roughly 55% of the load is connected to the PSU. So I did my rough calculations. So the PSU is suitable for the highest efficiency, so that I can conserve electric my electric bill for the future. So I'm choosing AX at 50 watts, so that the load is around 50 to 60% of the maximum output capacity of the PSU. So that's why I'm choosing 850 watts and titanium titanium 80 plus rating, so that I'm able to get 95% of the efficiency. I'm not sure because the AX at 50 doesn't have cost selling, so I cannot check it when it arrives. In any case, A50 is good enough, and 80 plus rating titanium, so that I can conserve a little bit more power and electric bill. So that's my plan for in the future for the third rig. So for now, the motherboard is okay. CPU is not CPU, RAM, and motherboard is okay. So I need to get another PSU. So I'm choosing 850 based on my calculation that I mentioned just now. For GPU in the future, I'm getting 1060 or PM106. Um, Obviously, P106 or 1060 6 gigabyte use, still in good condition. There's no point in buying a, a bad condition GPU. But in any case, for the time being, PSU. Um, for the GPU, in the meantime, I can use my 1070 to 1070s to test it out later on when the PSU comes. But in any case, I got spare three risers, PCIe connectors, not the Molex. Have three spares, so I can use them. But I might have to buy more risers, PCIe connector risers in the future. But in any case, power cable, HDMI, I got it. I got the the other parts. Mostly I have it. A lot of spares that I bought. So in any case, that's my plan. For the time being, have to conserve money, collect some money to buy me some another PSU. For the casing fan, I already ordered. It's coming. But in any case, just a short update for the next for the future rigs. So I hope you guys gain some beneficial info from my experience. So thank you for watching and take care, guys.